We know that you're popular, right? We know that you're a popular person.
A little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, we know you, right? All right. What are you loving the vibe so far?
The vibes are great. They're perfect.
Yo. Oh shit. I don't know, bro. I just keep it running.
I'm from Toronto. My parents, I'm biracial. She's biracial. My dad's Guyanese and my mom is from England.
All right, Stephanie, I must comment you, right?
Yeah.
You're looking real beautiful today.
Thank you.
All right. My question is, how are you liking the vibe so far?
I love the vibes. It's been 4 years since we've been able to do this.
Yeah,
so I think a lot of people are really just anxious to be out on the road again with their people.
Holy.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. On a scale of 1 to 10, right?
Yeah.
Why would you rate this carnival?
I would rate this a 7 out of 10.
Why?
Because I've been to carnivals in the Caribbean, and that's a totally different experience.
Jamaica?
No, I haven't been to Jamaica.
Oh,
I've been to Trinidad, and I've been to Barbados.
You need to check out Jamaica.
And I feel like that just about sums it up. I do want to go to Jamaica one day, though.
Yeah, when?
I do. Maybe next year, maybe the year after.
Yeah, trust me, Jamaican carnival is lit as well.
I bet. That's what I hear.
Yeah, Trinidad carnival is good too, you know?
I bet.
Yeah, for real. All right.
Yeah.
All right. What would make this experience a better experience?
Legislated alcohol on the road. Right now, it's a real sideshow to go get alcohol on the road. I don't think that's necessary. I think we should be able to just drink if we want to drink.
Yeah. That would make it perfect.
Yes, that's it.
That's the thing with the Caribbean, though. They don't limit you, you know?
They don't. You're right. That's it. But for the most part, I think we've done a good job. I think everybody looks beautiful. I think everybody's having a good time. And to me, that's all that matters.
Yeah, nice. That's all that matters.
We're gonna get our alcohol anyway.
Holy, yeah. Thumbs up. All right, what's your name?
Jaffia.
All right. How are you liking the vibe so far?
So amazing. This is my first year playing math, so I'm having an amazing time.
Where from?
I'm from Pickering.
All right. On a scale 1 to 10, right? How do you rate the vibe right now?
12. A 12.
A 12. Oh, a 10 is too small. All right. Due to all COVID, right? It's been a while since Caribana kept, right?
Yes.
Alright, what are you really looking forward to?
Anything.
Huh? Just one?
Looking forward to anything. Anything fun with good vibes.
Just a vibe. That's all. As long as you enjoy yourself,
Yes.
you know?
Good
That's all
vibes
that
and new
matters.
experiences.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're enjoying yourself too, you know?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, it's very nice to meet you though.
You too.
Alright, so take care. Thanks.
Carnival, they all in tongue. Plenty people gather round. All the man them.
We gonna take the place. One hand on your head. One hand on your head and start to wine. 'Cause right now like this. Right now like this. It's time to bend over, time to bend over. Time to bend, time to bend. My girl, my girl. You see how she walking up? This girl, she walking up a storm. Whining in a circle. Watch out she perform, you know. She's so cool. When she whine and freeze, people stop and stare. Got man on their knees. What's she body? Girl, the way you roll your bumper, cause I talk. Make it such a wine.
I'm well, how are you?
What is your name?
Melissa,
Where are you from?
Toronto.
Oh, is it very time to Caribana?
First time?
Yeah.
No, I've been doing this since I was 5 years old.
Oh, could you spin a roll for the camera? Man could see you. Oh, you're looking gorgeous today.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you. I actually make the costumes, so I don't know if you people know what goes into it, but it's a lot of damn work. I'm tired and I want to go home, but we had a lot of fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, we're having fun right now.
That's good.
Alright, thank you.
Jamaica.
Like, you guys live in Jamaica?
No,
No, we come here.
We're Canadian, but we're from Jamaica.
Oh,
Alright?
okay.
You ever been to Jamaica before?
Yes, many times. One of my
Seriously,
favorite
where?
countries.
Where in Jamaica?
Well, touristy countries like the Montego Bay,
Ocho Rios?
Ocho Rios, Negril.
Kingston.
Nice.
Yeah, I love Jamaica.
Yeah, so when you plan to go back?
As soon as possible. I don't want to see another gem or feather for a long time.
Definitely. So you're loving the vibe right now?
I'm loving it. It's amazing to see your creation on the road.
Yeah,
and I'm with all the girls very happy and it looks great on them, so I'm happy.
So you're not from Toronto?
I'm from Toronto, Scarborough.
Nice, Scarborough. I live in
Born and
Scarborough.
raised.
I live in Scarborough.
Where?
Yeah, Nielsen.
Nielsen?
Yeah.
So you're Melbourne?
Huh?
Melbourne?
No, Ellesmere actually.
Oh, Ellesmere, okay.
Yeah. For real.
What high school did you go to?
Oh,
Are you allowed to say
no.
that?
I'll go high school in Jamaica. Yeah, I can. You can say that. No, I've been here about like 3 years.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, so
okay.
I'm not here for long. You know.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice. Did you guys like the experience?
Yeah, we love
I
it.
love it. This is my first Caribana
First time.
actually, because due to the
Okay.
whole COVID, you know. So
Okay, nice.
yeah.
Good. Well,
Yeah, so it's
fun.
nice meeting you. What's your name?
Melissa,
Melissa, Damien.
nice to meet you.
All right, nice to meet you, Melissa.
Okay.
All right, thanks for the interview. All right.
Is that rock steady in the crowd? Is that my sister rock steady? Representing Jamaica. Hold on. Wheel. Everybody got to hold on. So I live in Miami. I have a little sister in my city.
What's your name?
My name is Chelsea.
All right, Chelsea. Why you loving the vibe right now?
I'm loving it. I came all the way from New York for this vibe.
Oh, serious?
Yep.
All the way from New York just for Caribana?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah? All right. On a scale of 1 to 10, how you rate this Caribana right now?
I'm gonna rate it a 15.
15.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That means it's up, right?
I'm having a time.
All right. Is this the first Caribana?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yep, my first time ever.
Nice. All right, bro. You like it?
I love it.
Love it. Can you give a spin around, please? Just to show off.
Holy. My friend, I must admit, right? You're looking very beautiful. Trust
Thank
me.
you.
Yeah, straight up. I'm not lying, right?
Thank you so much.
All right. So, all right.
What is your main focus?
Caribana, right? You know, due to the whole COVID, right? Because it's an every year thing. Caribana keep like every year,
COVID,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, so due to the whole COVID, it haven't been keeping for a while, right? So, alright. What you're really looking forward to, right? What are your moments? What you really enjoy about it?
I love being around all the Caribbean people.
Caribbean, oh, yeah, I hear that? Caribbean people, not Canadian people. I'm Jamaican.
Caribbean people. I'm Trinidadian.
Oh, seriously?
Yes.
You're from Trinidad? Oh, we're family then, right?
Exactly.
Right,
All
exactly.
Caribbean people.
Yeah, for real. But you don't look Trinidad. You look more Spanish to me, honestly, I swear.
Everybody says that. I'm tired of people saying that.
Yeah,
Everyone be like, you look Spanish, talking to me in Spanish. I'm not Spanish. I'm fully Trinidadian.
Oh, yo, trust me. You almost fooled me a while ago, though, I swear.
Can't assume things.
Yeah? Alright, it's nice talking to you, though, you know?
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
Just go and enjoy yourself, you know? Enjoy a moment.
Don't forget to subscribe to our page, alright?
My friend, it seems like you enjoy yourself, you know?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Raven.
Raven. Alright, Raven. How you liking the vibe right now?
I'm loving it.
Loving it? Alright, on a scale from 1 to 10, how you rate it?
10.
10.
10.
10. Alright. So that's it all, you know? Alright, where you from, Raven?
I'm from here, but my parents are from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
We're in Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica.
Obviously Kingston.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'm
standard.
from-
Standard.
Yes, so we're family, basically, you know? Alright. You know, due to the whole COVID and thing, right?
Yeah.
So it's been a year since the whole Caribana.
2 years.
2 years. Yeah, so alright. What you enjoy about it right now? What you enjoy?
The freedom.
The freedom?
The freedom. There's no mask. I don't have to distance apart. You know? Everybody can just party, have fun. Yes.
For real,
Vibe.
for real, vibing, you know? Yeah, man. You know what I like still?
What?
I like that you're a yard girl, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Mad thing. Mad thing, my friend. Mad thing. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Alright, thanks. Alright. Alright, what's your name, my friend?
I'm Justine.
Justine, where you from?
I'm from Ajax, Ontario, but my family's from
Awesome.
Dominica.
Awesome. Alright, Justine.
Yeah,
Are you loving the vibe right now?
I love the vibe. This is my favorite song right here.
Alright, from a scale of 1 to 10, what you rate? All you rate is Caribana this year.
This is probably my favorite year. It's my first year playing Mass.
First year.
First year.
Oh,
We love it. It's great vibes all year today.
awesome, awesome. Alright. Due to the old COVID, right? And you know Caribana is an every year thing, right?
Yeah.
Due to the old COVID and stuff, it have been keeping for like 2 years, right? It's 2 years, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so what are your best moments right now?
My best moments.
Yeah.
This summer, I've been going to every concert I can with my friends.
Yeah.
Going out to bars, having nice dinners, living it up. We're going everything. We're going hard because we can, and that's all that matters.
So you're basically living it up.
We're living up. We only live once, right?
Only live once.
Life is
yeah.
short.
Yeah, for real.
Here for a good time, not a long time.
You have to enjoy yourself, my friend. Trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah, life is short, you know?
All right.
Yeah, so I want you to keep enjoying yourself, you know, enjoy the vibe and thing, you know?
You too, and you too.
Yeah, trust me. I think you need to check out some carnival in the Caribbean as well, you know? Trinidad is good. Jamaica, I'm from Jamaica, right? So I'm telling you, Jamaica Carnival is awesome.
I would love to do them all if I had the chance. I would.
Yeah,
I would.
hopefully one day,
Hopefully,
you know?
fingers crossed,
Hopefully,
eh?
yeah. Alright, so it's nice talking to you.
It was so great to meet you.
Alright?
All right.
Alright, take care.
Where your team? Where your friends?
Saga. Alright, we know that you're popular, right? We know that you're a popular person.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah, we know you, right? Alright. Are you loving the vibe so far?
The vibes are great. They're perfect.
Yo. Oh shit. I don't know, bro. I just see people running. Yo. Oh man!
Some ghetto vibes.
Yo, fucking ghetto vibes. No, we're shutting. Yo, some bullshit is happening. Some bullshit is happening.
Oh yeah. We go Venom Carnival, we don't represent violence. Please, we don't represent fucking violence. On the behave. Hey, whatever the outcome, you're not playing no music. Danger is a problem. Oh my gosh. No violence! Let's
Alright, introduce yourself to me.
I'm CC Banana.
And you're?
Kenny Boo.
Alright, guys.
we do not
Where you from?
condone.
I'm from Ajax. We're both from Ajax. We're sisters.
We're both from Ajax.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright. Are you loving the vibe right now?
The vibes are good. I'm a little lit, so.
You drink?
A little bit.
A little
bit. Just a little bit.
Alright,
I think a little bit.
Alright. What are you enjoying about the world of Caribana? What are your moments? What are you enjoying?
Well, like just seeing everybody out again because of COVID. Everybody was stuck inside, so finally it's nice to
It's
see
true,
everyone.
yeah, right?
Yeah, it's nice to see everybody outside,
yeah,
socializing. You know,
For
trying to
real.
be normal.
Alright. From a scale 1 to 10, how you rate this Caribana this year?
Oh, I don't really think it's that good. I think it's like a solid like 4.5, 3.
Holy
The only reason it's so good right now is because we haven't had it in a long time. But I don't think the music is really that good. There's not enough reggae floats. It's all soca, jump up. No, thank you.
Alright, honestly, you're the only person that rated the lowest.
Because they haven't been outside with people, so they think it's so good, but it's not really that good. Like their image is just tainted. No, it's not that good.
How you rate it?
I mean, it's like a 7. I think the music's fine. Yeah, unless having to find her, I was fine.
I got kidnapped on a float, but I'm out.
I guess. Yeah.
Oh, wait, you guys are
Alright.
funny.
Honestly, you guys are looking very beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
Right? Trust me. Trust me. You guys are what I always said. Oh, amazing is too.
Could you just turn around for the camera, please?
Holy, oh my word. You're awesome. Trust me.
And the both sisters.
Can you believe it? Alright, actually, it's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you guys
because
too.
I follow you too, you know? I follow you too.
Thank you.
Yeah, so when I actually saw him, so hold up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
he
honestly,
was
it's
right
good
there,
to see
you
that
know?
people are out here doing like content as well, you know,
Yeah.
instead of just coming
We're
here.
supposed to be filming a vlog.
We're supposed to be filming a vlog, but
Why?
then
So why you don't?
because we got separated. I filmed.
I'm not.
You film?
Yeah, my goal was to get 20 guys, and I got like more than that. I was like,
Holy! So
this is
I
my
guess you
first-
jackpot then.
this is my first weekend back out in like Ontario, so I had to do my thing, you know?
Yeah,
was
nice.
good, yeah.
Nice. Well, as I'm saying, right, this is my first time here.
Yeah.
I'm actually enjoying it.
That's good.
Right?
That's
'Cause
good.
I wouldn't even know if the experience is
Yeah.
like a 10 or a 4, as what I just
Yeah.
said, right? But because I haven't been to one, right?
Exactly. But for you, it's going to be a 10. It's your first time.
Right now, I actually give it I would say like a 9.
Yeah, see, there.
Yeah.
It's like a 90%. It's exactly what I'm talking about, though.
Yeah, for real.
Exactly. But
All right,
nice
so
meeting you guys.
nice talking
Thank
to
you.
you. Yeah? All right,
Nice
thanks.
meeting you guys.
Take care. All right.
Well, is it my turn or something?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, so see you guys around.
Okay.
All right. All right, ladies. I'm gonna say you guys are looking tremendously beautiful today, right?
Thank you.
All right, where you guys from?
Michigan.
Michigan.
Yeah.
Nice. So you guys come all the way for the Caribana?
Yeah, it's not that far, but yeah, we came here.
Yeah. Oh, you liking it so far?
It's straight.
cool.
Like, this shit
You already
is
been to the
nice.
parade?
We're on our way there.
You on the way there? Yeah. All right. So what you guys are looking forward to?
Dancing, shaking ass.
Dancing and
Hold on.
shaking ass. That's all.
Being drunk.
Being drunk,
Yeah,
not,
having a good
not
time.
finding anyone special.
We work too hard.
Already found my husband. I don't need
Right, we work too hard. It's time to party. Like,
ain't shit.
we been
Yeah.
working too hard. We outside.
You're outside.
Fuck nigga free.
Yeah.
Oh. I like the sound of that. Definitely like the sound of that, you know? I must comment here, right? You're looking beautiful. Trust me. Yeah, you guys are looking beautiful today.
Thank
All right. Which country are you from?
Where? Where I'm
Yeah.
from? Miami.
Yeah. Miami. So you left all the way from Miami come
Yes.
to Caribana?
Yes.
Why?
Because I like carnival.
All right. What you liking the vibe so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So far so good.
It's nice to
All
be
right.
outside again.
What you actually looking forward to? Tell me.
Soca.
Soca?
Yeah.
No,
To have fun, get drunk, dance.
That's all?
Yeah. What else should I be looking forward to with Caribana?
Not to find someone nice?
Oh, I have somebody already.
I'm just messing with you. Yeah, but all right. You know, Caribana, it's been a while since Caribana came,
Yes.
right? Due to the whole COVID thing.
Yes.
Right? All right. So on a scale from 1 to 10, where would I rate this event right now? What you
Well, I don't know. We're still outside.
Still outside.
We haven't
Yeah,
got it
all
yet.
right. All it looks so far.
So far, it looks good, but it's way different than how I remember it.
Yeah, way better? In what way?
No, I said way different.
Way different?
Yeah.
All right. In what way?
Well, I remember when I came before, like everything was smooth, but I guess since coming back from COVID for the first time, like it's like parties are getting canceled or like people are able to make it now. So it's
Yeah.
like it's big difference.
So it's like more crowded now? It's like look more crowded to you right now? You can look,
Well, right.
you can look right now.
Yeah, actually, I don't remember it being this crowded going inside.
Yeah, seriously?
So I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like in there.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy yourself.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, nice talking to you.
You
What's
too.
the name?
Bree.
Bree.
Yes.
I'm Damien.
Nice to meet
You
you.
can also check out my channel,
Okay,
Chef
what
Young,
is it?
Chef Young Vlogs.
Chef Young Vlogs.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right.
All right.
All right. Thanks.